Right, I guess I should be doing a good few videos, document the progress. The last two times I've made videos, the camera started shaking and jumping and the auto image stabilization did not function correctly, so do another one. Yeah, after cutting it back really low, really close to the dirt, it suffered a bit. It's obviously stressed the grass out, but hopefully the roots underneath will be spreading out and should be coming up in the bare spots. This ground was absolutely rock hard just a couple of weeks ago, a week or two ago. 5 months without rain. We got one rainfall a couple of weeks ago, and yeah, so now I'm just wetting it down because the seeds didn't arrive today. But I did go out and buy some. It's good, doesn't it? I did go out and buy some fertilizer. So I've noticed that because I'm putting water on it regularly every day, a couple of times a day, the dry grass is sort of decomposing, breaking down, and hopefully going into the soil, re-nourishing it. Yeah, because I can see a lot more dirt now than what I could in the last few weeks. So it's all the dead stuff breaking away and it's leaving me with really no grass whatsoever. Well, a little bit. So I was wanting to get good photographs for the website, building a website just now. I'm going to test the market on booking.com and Agoda. Yeah, so I wanted good photos. I mean, they look okay, I guess, but can't wait to get this tree down and put sand in the bunkers. That could only take just a couple of days. So yeah, I want to get this as green as possible for photos, and then I'll start really stripping back the dead stuff. I've forgotten the name of it again. It's called slashing, scarifying. That's what it's called, scarifying. So it's just metal and drag it across. You're going to take all the dead stuff off and dig into the soil like an inch or two, ideally, or like an inch or a centimetre or two, just enough for the seeds to find a little groove, you know, get their groove on. But it will make the land look really brown and dirt more than grass, you know. Yeah, you know what I mean. So try to get it as green as possible for some photos in the next couple of days. I want to get the sand in as well. Yeah, it's a lot of work, god crikey. Yep, so that's just a wee update. I'm not going to use the zoom because that's usually when the camera starts messing up the stabilization. So I'm just going to walk backwards to get the full shot with the sun. Yeah. What about include the side of the house? Can't really see the sun. Yeah. Yeah. Making a golf course in my back garden. Right. Just an update. See you in the next one.